Well, I don't know how you folks feel, but I reckon it's time that the kids got put to work making us some tucker. What do you reckon? We're going to do something nice and easy. Normally be campfire pizzas, but we can't have a campfire here, so we're going to improvise. We've got a cast iron fry pan here with a bit of a lid. That's going to work as our oven, and we're going to make some pizzas, so let's get stuck into it. First thing we need is just a little wrap we're going to use for our base. Really easy. Some sauce. You don't want to go overboard with the sauce because it's going to drip out and make a mess everywhere. Spread that out just like a regular pizza. All the way to the sides. I reckon that's looking pretty good. Now we're going to grab some cheese, sprinkle that on top. Don't have to be fancy with it, doesn't matter if you make a mess. I'm going to go with some cabanossi for mine. Bit of cabanossi. All right, what else do we want? Bit of tomato. Oh, beautiful. And a couple of chunks of pineapple in the middle. Oh, you know what? I'm going to go for some bacon as well. It's not really a pizza without bacon, is it? Right, so we've got all our ingredients in there. Here's the tricky part. I'm going to take my plate out, straight onto the foil. Yeah, I'm going to roll him into the shape of a cone. Just like that. Try to keep all your ingredients inside the pizza, that'd be good. And you know what, I'm just going to put just a little bit more cheese on the top there. Now, I'm going to wrap him up. Make sure you fold the bottom over, fold the top over. Got ourselves a little pizza parcel, and in she goes. All right. So while that's melting and doing all its good stuff that it needs to do in there, we're going to get the kids in here to have a crack at making their own. Come on, gang. Someone's going to need some more foil there. So were you paying attention?
Yeah.
All right, well, I reckon this might be ready over here. It's smelling pretty good. So we're going to get that out onto a plate. How are we looking, guys?
Good.
All right, well, let's have a look at the one we've done earlier.
Oh, it smells so good. Yeah.
The only thing left to do now, guys.
It's the other bite. Good?
Oh,
Absolutely.
is it melted?
It fell apart.
Okay. Woo! Oh, there you go. This lot are all trained up, ready for the next trip. Looks like we'll be getting the night off, I reckon. Happy days.